My name is Judy Young, and I live on Cedar Lane in Mount Joy. Well, for some time, there's been water getting in inside the house, behind the mantle, above the fireplace there. I would hear water dripping, and I would go over and push, and it would be soft, and because water was getting in. And I had a few people check it out, and they couldn't find the problem, and it just couldn't get fixed, couldn't find the problem. Well, I heard good reviews about you from a gentleman that goes to my church. He said that he always recommended Joyland. That's how I found you. So I was very impressed, because instead of just trying to find a little area and find what could be the problem, they said they were going to tear everything down from top to bottom and investigate everything and replace anything that needed to be fixed. So that is what they did. So that anything that needed to be fixed, potential problems, current problems, whatever, they did it. They did a very fabulous job. They did a really thorough job, very meticulous, and I'm very pleased. The pictures, when they did the quote, Zach came out and did the quote, he took pictures of everything, and then he also took pictures of everything that they saw when they were fixing it, the communication that way, as to what we found, what we're doing. I liked that. I'm confident it's not leaking anymore. I haven't felt any wetness behind on the drywall above the mantle, fireplace. So definitely, because of the fact that instead of patching it, like putting a Band-Aid on it, on an area where you think it is, what really impressed me though was the thoroughness of dismantling everything and getting to the root of the problem. That is what really impressed me.